Hello, this video illustrates how to subscribe to an event using event services. In this demo, I'm going to subscribe to my sample Jenkins echo process. The URL for subscription is listed below. Let's see how this is done. This is my event services web app. I need to sign on to event services. Let's look at the events. Let's subscribe to Package Backout. I'm going to put in demo subscriber. The event is Package Backout. Paste my URL in there. It's enabled multiple sources. I'm going to add basic authorization. No filtering. And indeed, this is a Jenkins subscriber. So I'm going to submit this. My subscriber has been added. Let's go back to list events. Indeed, you can see that there are now current subscribers. If I go there, I can actually run the subscriber, put in some parameters. So this would simulate demo 780 being backed out. Event code 201 indicates that the process was created. Let's go over to Jenkins and see if it ran. This is my Jenkins console. And indeed, you can see that that process was just kicked off. Let's look at the console output. Apple demo, component sort, demo 780. So that job ran successfully and was kicked off by event services. Thank you for watching.